Welcome to our tutorial on installing Bazzite. This tutorial will walk you through the installation process of Bazzite, both for those who want to replace Windows and for those who want to dual boot. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This tutorial is being done on a virtual machine to more easily screen capture the procedure. However, prior to using the virtual machine, this procedure was done on a working system and the results are the same. While this procedure should work for you, there is always the possibility there may be incompatibility or issues that arise we didn't experience. As such, it is highly recommended you back up all personal and important files prior to attempting the installation of an operating system. We take no responsibility for lost data. The first thing you'll see after booting the USB flash drive is this installation screen. Choose Install Bazzite. Once loaded, you'll see this install window. The first thing you'll see is the Welcome to Bazzite screen. Here you get to choose the language you want to use for the installation process. Choose your language, then click Continue. If the keyboard layout is wrong, click on it and you will be able to choose the language you'd like to use. Click Done when complete. The same applies for language support. If the language is incorrect, go ahead and change it to what you prefer and then click Done. In time and date, make sure that your time zone is correct. It should be automatic, but if it needs to be changed, you can do so here. When the time zone and time are correct, click Done. If you are on Wi-Fi, you need to connect to your Wi-Fi network. You can do that in Network and Hostname. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your password, and then click Done. Next, we need to create a user. Click on User Creation and enter your full name. Then, enter a username. This can be your first name or whatever you would prefer it to be. Leave Add Administrative Privileges to this user account alone. If you prefer not to require a password to log in, you can uncheck Require a Password to use this account. However, it is strongly advised that you leave that alone. Enter a password, and then re-enter it again under Confirm Password. Then click Done. Now we have to set up the installation destination. If you're going to install Bazzite over Windows, make sure the hard drive has a check on it. Select Automatic for storage configuration, then click Done. If you're going to dual boot with Windows, check the hard drive and then choose Automatic and then check Free Up Space by removing or shrinking existing partitions. Click Done. Now we need to reclaim some hard drive space so we can install Bazzite. Find the NTFS partition that is the largest. In this instance, it's 88.2 GB. Select it, then click Shrink. Using the sliding tool, shrink the partition size. You can see that amount in the bottom right corner. Bazzite requires a minimum of 64 GB. Once you've set your reclaimed amount, click Reclaim Space. Congratulations! Bazzite is now installed. Click Reboot System. Once the computer has rebooted, remove the thumb drive. Type in your password. And you are now in Bazzite.